Okay, then have your feet hip wide apart. Drop your shoulders. Inhale up. Exhale, sit down into a chair pose. You can lift the arms. And then you fold forward. And you know you can always keep the knees bent. Halfway lift, straighten your back. And then step back into plank. Let's start with the knees on the mat. Come into a chaturanga. From here into a cobra, small cobra. And come back up into down dog. Lift the right leg. And then step forward with the right foot. Drop the left foot into 45 degrees. Come up into the Warrior A. Hands down, step back. Come into a chaturanga, knees on the mat. Unless you feel super full of energy today, you can of course do your own chaturanga with the knees in the air. Lift the left leg. Step forward in between your hands. Drop the right heel down. Come up. Stay for a moment. Release. Step back. Chaturanga, your choice. Cobra and down dog. Stay here for 3 breaths. And then step to the front. Halfway lift. Forward fold. Sit down into chair pose. And come up into standing. Good. Let's do another round. Slightly faster. Inhale. Exhale. Chair pose. Forward fold. Inhale, lift. Step or jump back into your plank. And come into chaturanga and upward facing dog or small cobra. Down dog. Right leg up. Step to the front. Release. Back. Come down. Left leg up. Stay in down dog. 3 breaths. Step forward, come into halfway lift, fold, chair pose, and come up. Okay, let's continue. Same thing until we come into warrior pose. Fold. Halfway lift, step back, plank, chaturanga, inhale, and down dog. Right leg comes to the front. Drop the left foot. Warrior A. Now stay here. The left hip pushes forward while the left leg is long. The right hip pulls back. You sink low. Long arms. Hold here. Breathe. And then turn into Warrior B. Bring the back foot in a 90-degree angle and then drop the hip, shoulders above the hip, arms shoulder level. Look forward. From here, come into humble warrior. Open the front, lean back, bring the hand on the thigh. And then drop on the thigh. Side angle stretch. Bring the left arm above your head. And now straighten the front leg. Bring the right hand down or on the leg. Open up into a triangle. The left shoulder is above the right shoulder. You can look up or down. Release. Step back into down dog. Bring the left leg up. Step forward. Drop the right heel down into Warrior A. Open up into Warrior B. Push the hands down so your arms are strong. Open, humble warrior. Side angle stretch. Triangle. Release, step back, down dog. If you want, walk left, right a bit. Let's do one more round. Right leg up. Step forward, Warrior A. Warrior B. Humble warrior. Drop. Transition to Trikonasana. And step back. Down dog. Left leg goes up. Step to the front. Warrior A. Open Warrior B. Humble warrior. Side angle stretch. Straighten the front leg, open into a trikonasana. Drop the hand, step back into down dog. And from here, drop the knees, sit back, relax. And now we're gonna close the session with a wonderful full body stretch. I think I haven't done that with you guys before, so let's see. If you are on a mat, move a bit to the right side of the mat. And then the left knee goes underneath the right knee. You drop the knees to the left. Yeah? Then you push the hip. So you want to lengthen here. Feel a bit a hip flexor stretch before you turn around and look to the back. Are you with me? Yes, the name is pretzel. It's not, but today the name of this is pretzel. Okay, then you drop on your forearms. If this still feels good, you can drop down with me even further. Bring the arms a bit outside so you can place the right cheek on the mat. Just hold and breathe. Slowly come back on your hands and then turn around to the front, around your back. Inhale and exhale. Other side, you can move a bit more to the left and then bring the right knee underneath the right foot underneath the left knee, and you drop the knees to the right. You push the hip so you can feel a soft stretch in the hip flexor. Turn around, look back, and when you're ready, drop on your forearms. And if you want to go further, open the arms, drop the left cheek. Breathe. Slowly come back on your hands and then turn back to the front. Round your back, straighten, round, and then slowly roll back all the way down. Bring the knees to your chest. And when you're ready, you can straighten the legs into shavasana. Stay here, relax, breathe, close your eyes. Tomorrow, day 15, is hump day. And surprise, it's going to be a yin yoga session. I am so ready for yin yoga. How about you? Let me know below in the comments. Now you can stay in shavasana a little bit longer. while I say thank you. I see you tomorrow. Namaste.